So one of our main projects for this spring is to take the tree out that you can see in the middle of the grass and create a big driveway. We've got 4 cars at the moment and Mason will start to drive in a couple of years' time, so we need the space to be able to park off the road. Also need to put a car charger in at the moment, paying quite a lot of money charging elsewhere. There's not very many Tesla superchargers around our way, so we're paying for like Instavan, things like that, which is costing us a lot more than it should. So we're going to get a home charger put in as well, which will bring some of our costs down. Over the years, we've bought various pieces of equipment, which has been great because it's meant that we can actually take this tree down ourselves. So using a pole saw, and then we also used a chainsaw to take the tree down. I haven't filmed the actual cutting down of the main tree because we use some very sketchy health and safety that I don't want to put online. Right, so one of our jobs today is to move all the bricks from down here that we took down from the planter. I will all up here and just stack them so they're out of the way. Darcy's got a birthday party next weekend and we don't want her friends bumping into the bricks and squishing themselves, yes? I am so over moving bricks. We've moved so many after the last couple of years and we've still got more that we need to remove. We've got the last brick planter to take down and a bit of a wall to knock down, so the end is not in sight yet.
The next one sits on the line, okay?
Are they going to go sideways or are they going flat?
I thought.
No, are they going that way up or do they go that way?
Well, that's the decision we need to make. We're just laying out bricks to see how many we need to do a square metre. And we can work out if we've got enough to do a type of flooring we want to do.
We try and reuse whatever we can, so our plan is to reuse the bricks that we've taken down from the planters and lay a patio to replace the existing slabs that are there at the moment. So we've just been knocking the bricks off the bottom here, and we need to knock these ones off as well, and the bit of the old brick wall down here that we never did when it got knocked over by the tree that came down in Storm Eunice a couple of years ago. Just gonna get the shredder out and start shredding the Leylandii that we cut down last week, and then I've moved this back down as well. Darcy likes to whiz up and down the long side of the house on her scooter, so we try and keep that as clear as we can. Just go out here, I think. All right.
Yeah?
How are you getting on?
Fine, you?
Yeah, good. Chopping, chopping, chopping the wood. Walks the other way.
Big bit in. So we're just working our way through this oak at the front.
Yeah, okay. Free mulch for the bed, so all of the bits that could shred we've shredded and then been putting them around the garden, which means in the summer the ground will retain some moisture and it reduces the amount of weeds that we have as well. So we're driving, this is through Paris. I'm going to see my mum and stepmum who live in France. stepmom's just had a knee operation, so we've gone out to help do some of the spring jobs, which included fixing fences. This is cutting the new growth off the eucalyptus tree because it's got too big and it's blocking the solar panels. Also needed to prune all of the trees along this fence line. Mason's first experience of driving is driving a tractor, which he has got very good at manoeuvring around and manoeuvring in small spaces, and most importantly, not killing any plants.
My little eye, something beginning with R.
Travelling back, we stopped at Chartres overnight, just to reduce the amount of time that we were driving in one go. We've been driving to and from France for over 10 years now. Never actually stopped here. It's somewhere I've always wanted to stop at. If you ever get a chance to go to Chartres Cathedral, definitely do it. It's amazing. The thing we love about France is the service stations and the fact that they really put an importance on stopping and resting while you're driving, and some of the places that you can stop are actually really, really nice. Back home again, and the DIY continues. Painting some of the woodwork. This one door I hadn't painted, and then also doing the stairs. We are going to put a runner up the middle of the stairs, but it still needs painting, and I need to do a second coat on the edges that are going to be exposed, that aren't covered up by the runner.